Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Nisho Imran, your maths teacher from Multan Public School and College. This is your maths class. Okay, let's start our lesson. Open your book, page number 107. Lesson number 1, measuring angles, and lesson number 2, drawing angles from chapter 5. What is an angle? In geometry, an angle can be defined as the figure formed by two rays meeting at a common end point. What is an angle? An angle can be defined as the figure formed by two rays meeting at a common end point. An angle is represented by the symbol like this. Watch it carefully. Symbol like this. Here, the angle below is angle AOB. Angles are measured in degrees using a protractor. Parts of an angle. An angle has two parts, arms and vertex. What is arms? The two rays joining to form an angle are called arms of an angle. Here, OA and OB are the arms of the angle AOB. OA and OB are the arms of an angle. Vertex, the common end point at which the two rays meet to form an angle, is called vertex. Here, the point O is the vertex of angle AOB. Types of angles. Angles can be classified on the basis of their measurement as acute angles, right angles, obtuse angles, straight angles, reflex angles, and complete angles. Acute angles are less than 90 degree. Right angles are always exactly 90 degree. Obtuse angles are less than 180 but greater than 90 degree. Straight angles are always 180 degree. Reflex angles are greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. And complete angles are exactly 360 degree. How do we measure the size of angles? We can measure angles using an instrument known as protractor. What is protractor? A protractor is an instrument used to measure the size of the angles. The protractor shown below has two scales, inner scale and outer scale. The outer scale starts from 0 degree to 180 degree going clockwise, and the inner scale starts from 0 degree to 180 degree going anti-clockwise. How to measure an angle using a protractor? To measure angle ABC, we need to do the following steps. Step 1. Place the center point of the protractor on a vertex B. Then adjust the baseline of the protractor so that it is aligned with the line BC. And then read the value of angle ABC from the inner scale. We can also adjust the baseline of the protractor so that it is aligned with the line AB and use the outer scale to measure the angle. I hope you learn a lot. Stay safe, stay healthy. Allah Hafiz.